There you go.
Well, hello. Welcome to my new walk-in closet. Enjoying it? I am. I've just had a little wine, so a little tipsy. Not really. I don't condone drinking. We're still in IKEA. I'm not. This isn't really my house.
Otherwise, you wouldn't have guy clothes.
Yeah, why do I have guy clothes? And a baby in the background.
Is there something you'd like to tell us?
I like the color.
It is. It's nice.
We're still in IKEA.
Yeah, see the ceiling.
Yeah.
Okay, go. I don't know if it's good.
Jenny's telling me.
I don't know if it's on you, so they may just hear you. Ready? Okay.
Oh, look at me.
Shut up, you. What? What'd you say? I couldn't hear you. Say it louder. What?
I want to throw up on your side of the bed.
No. That could be your side. That is your side, though.
No, this is your side.
Oh, I thought you were Feels good, does it?
No. You want me to massage?
I massaged you.
No, you didn't.
Let it on for a minute.
Oh. Retake.
I feel like you're being posted. I feel like you're modeling them.
Oh, wait. I should have done it vertical, because now it will be funny. Retake.
You weirdo. You were so glad your mom had to go somewhere else.
She's in the bathroom.
Yeah, she had to go somewhere else to hear you. Or
La,
here.
la, la. Oops. I cut your bear out of it.
No! Tickle, tickle.
I'm gonna pee.
Ew.
Okay.
I got that on camera.
I can edit it out.
I can always post my version of it. Hey?
I'm trying to post this for you. Okay, give me a few minutes just to post this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Okay, so it's day. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what day it is. I don't care.
It's Monday.
It's Monday. Okay, and this is our last day. We're leaving tonight, and oh my god, we're standing outside because we checked out of the hotel and we're waiting for my mom, and it's so cold.
It's good.
Okay, so yesterday I didn't really like Rollins, so we kind of left early. Not that I didn't like the school and how it looked. It was very pretty, but it was just wasn't for me. So we left. Mom! She's here! Okay, hallelujah.
We see ya.
Hallelujah.
The school. And there's Mom. There's Lena. I'm sorry.
Oh, am I filming? I'm sorry. I mean, are you filming?
Oh, I'm just looking at the campus for my mom. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the... I got it.
It was in my bag. You could have grabbed it.
I hate that you don't feel it, Mommy. I feel it fine.
But not as much as USF.
You're in a bag. No, I'm just in a bad mood that, like, they couldn't text us or something or email us to say, oh, yeah, by the way, we're not going to be then I'll talk on that. hi. Hi. Get outside and I'll talk to you.
Snoop Dogg.
Give me the Jenny cam. I want the Jenny cam.
No, I want to hold it. It's my cam.
Hi Jenny cam. What's up? This is our last day and we're at UCF and I'm butt stuff and we just listened to, what's his name? Spoken Reasons, and he's a YouTuber and so we're gonna look him up when we get home. So that'd be cool to see, maybe. Yeah, I'm excited. So I bought UCF stuff because I've decided. Jenny, you're moving the camera up.
Oh, sorry. I'm walking.
I know.
You're committed.
I'm committed to UCF. I'm excited to know if I get in or not. And I know that this is where I want to go. It's gorgeous and amazing and awesomeness. Bye, guys. Sure, thank you.
What did you say?